Scratch a QR code, smear it, tear off a corner, and somehow your phone still reads it perfectly. A scratched record skips. A torn page loses words. So how does damaged data put itself back together? The answer is one of the quiet miracles of the digital age. Every message you send travels through a noisy world. Bits get flipped. A 0 becomes a 1 becomes a 0. Cosmic rays, scratches, static, a weak signal. If you send raw data and a single bit flips, the receiver has no idea. The message is silently wrong. We need a way not just to detect damage, but to repair it. Start with the simplest idea, redundancy. Don't send a bit once. Send it 3 times. To send a 1, send 111. Now if noise flips the middle bit, the receiver sees 101. It simply takes a vote. 2 ones beat 10. The original was a 1. The error is corrected. It works, but it's wasteful. You tripled the size of everything to fix just 1 bit. Real codes are far cleverer. The smarter trick is parity. Add a few extra bits whose only job is to remember relationships within the data. Picture your bits in a grid. For every row and every column, add 1 bit that records whether that line had an even or odd number of ones. Now flip any single bit by accident. Its row parity breaks. Its column parity breaks. The 2 broken lines cross at exactly 1 square, the culprit. Find it, flip it back, and the data is healed. A handful of extra bits just located and fixed an error, without ever knowing what the message said. Real systems like QR codes use a powerful version of this, called Reed-Solomon. It spreads the redundancy across the whole code. That's why losing a corner doesn't matter. The information isn't in any one place. It's woven through the entire pattern. At its strongest setting, a QR code can lose up to 30% of itself and still rebuild the data. This same idea, redundancy, guards almost everything. Deep space probes whispering across billions of miles, your phone calls, the memory inside your computer. Even the DNA in your cells has repair machinery built in. It's a beautiful bargain. Spend a few extra bits up front and buy the power to survive damage you can't predict. Add a little structure, and information becomes remarkably hard to destroy. That's why a scratched QR code still works.